Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Aries at sa mga bagong Aries na nakasubaybay ngayon. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog. Love reading. Ayan na. Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 9 to 15. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung masasagap ng energy from the Aries Collective. At habang binabalaso ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Aries na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. And sana patuloy niyo suportahan ang aking channel by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. At sa mga bago, please subscribe na rin po kayo sa aking channel para mag-grow siya. Like nyo na yung video, comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate. Para kapag nag-grow kasi yung channel ko, siyempre, mas makakagawa pa ako ng marami pang love reading para sa inyo. At hopefully, mag-improve yung setup ko dito. Okay, so thank you. Sobrang appreciated. Sige, ang gagawin natin ngayon is bubunot ako ng 7 cards from this deck. And, ayun, the 7th card for 7 days. So, simulan na natin. Tapos interpret natin siya. Okay, Ace of Wands. The Hanged Woman. 10 of Pentacles. 5 of Wands. The Chariot. 2 of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. Ooh. From Ace to Ace. Okay. Bottom of the deck, the Hierophant. So, something is committed. Okay. Card of commitment. Anyway, sige, bago ko simulan, there's a very strong energy of Pisces, Cancer. Yun. So, yung dalawang yun ay yung strong energies na nasasagap sa reading na to but doesn't have to. Pwedeng ibang signs pa rin naman. Okay? So, sige. Let's interpret. So, Ace of Wands. So, for this week, and there's a new beginning when it comes to love. So, there's someone new coming. Pwedeng someone is coming back into your life and wanting na panibagong simula. Or there's a new level when it comes to the relationship. Ang nakikita ko dito is mas merong person na babalik from the past. Okay, and would want a new beginning with you. Panibagong simula, babalik siya from pause or no contact situation or a separation. So yun, and itong tao na to would want a new beginning, fresh start with you, and gusto na niya ng, kung dati parang iniwasan niya yung long-term commitment, ngayon, yun yung gusto niya. It's a realization dun sa part ng tao na yun na gusto na niya din na mag-settle down with you, siya sa'yo. Ikaw ang kanyang palagi. And ganun. So, yeah. So, and this person is, alam mo yun, medyo sa 5 of Wands kasi, yun nga, ikaw, pag dumating kang tao na 'to, medyo magiging conflicted ka na parang, "Hala, bakit? Bakit ka nagbabalik?" Lalo na ikaw na nagta-try na mag-move on, mag-move forward in life without this person. Okay, as seen here by the chariot, parang ikaw, okay ka ni, you're taking action, determined ka na to move forward with your life, patuloy sa life without this person na wala na rin sa buhay mo, tapos biglang magbabalik siya. Kaya nandito sa Two of Pentacles, there's a choice to be made. Ano ba yung, mapapaisip ka, ano ba yung gusto mo din talaga? Gusto mo ba siya sa buhay mo or not? Okay? Pero I can sense na parang okay lang din sa'yo na magsimula ulit. Depende sa ipapakita niya. Okay? Kung papakita ba ng tao nito is sincerity, honesty, and kung may kailangan siyang gawin before, nakikita mo ba yung change ngayon? Kasi kung oo, there's a possibility that you might give this person a chance. Kasi from east to ace. Okay? And this ace of swords is having an honest start. Something na grounded na. Something na may clarity, may truth, may honesty. Okay? So, sige, tingnan natin. Ano ba yung detalye na masasagap dito? At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto ko lang i-remind ulit ang lahat that this is a collective reading. So, kapag collective reading, it may or may not resonate sa inyo. So, um, kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagot ng energy ninyo. Okay? Kaya best pa rin talaga na mag-book kayo ng personal reading. Okay? Sige. Ayan. Okay. So, King of Swords, Page of Swords, the High Priestess, Seven of Wands, ooh, Five of Cups, and the Empress. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Page of Cups. Ooh, something fresh. Okay, so King of Swords and Page of Swords. Gusto talaga ng tao nito um, ng panibagong simula with you. Kaya may I can sense here yung panibagong simula is something because parang may realization nga siya and gusto niya maging totoo na sa sarili niya na ikaw yung mahal niya. Ikaw yung nga, palagi niya. Diba? And i-approach ka nito, makikipag-communicate ito sa'yo, and there will be a sense of maturity na. Kanina, di ba, parang nabanggit ko na kung ipapakita ba niya sa'yo na nagbago siya, there will, I can see here na yes, nag-effort naman siya na mag-change and ipakita sa'yo at i-prove sa'yo na hindi na siya yung dating person na nakilala mo. That something has changed for the better. And as shown here by the Page of Swords, it's something fresh, o panibagong simula din for your person. Okay? Na it's a new version of himself or herself. Okay, and shown here by the High Priestess, okay, there will be deeper connection na once established ito and once nabigyan nyo nga ng chance itong person na to na mag-proceed and binigyan siya ng chance. Kasi, as shown here by the Seven of Wands, he's overcoming the challenge or um, but at the same time, yun nga, you have your boundaries and i-meet naman niya yung kung ano yun, magko-comply naman siya. Kasi if not, di ba, alam nung person na to that it would lead to another loss, okay, or heartbreak kung hindi siya magko-comply, kung hindi siya mag-a-adjust or um, hindi niya i-respeto yung boundaries mo. Okay, so this is someone nga na would na mas mature na, okay, and ayoko niyang mawala. Niregret naman ng tao nito na nawala ka sa buhay niya. Kaya nga susubukan niya ulit na magbalik at magkaroon kayo ng panibagong simula. And I can see here with the Empress um, card that yeah, there's more care, more love, more affection, mas alam mo yun, yung effort na papakiligin ka nitong tao na to and there'll be more abundance na dito sa second chance or sa fresh start ng relationship ninyo. Okay? So, yeah, it's a good reading. So, sana pag-isipan nyo rin. Pero, okay, this is just a guidance. Nasa sa inyo pa rin naman yung decision. So, if this story resonates sa inyo, so, this is what the universe is telling you na sincere naman tong tao and ipapakita naman niya talaga na yung pagbabago nangyari sa life niya and yung kagustuhan niya na ikaw talaga yung kanyang palagi. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung anong advice ng universe sa inyo. Okay, so bago ko i-close itong reading, yeah, let's see. Ano ba yung gustong iparating sa inyo ni universe with regards to this connection. Okay. Lock. Okay. So, yeah. Ano naman, aligned naman sa good fortune and good luck. Yeah. Na sinasabi din ni universe that, yeah, try your luck. Okay? I mean, you're guided naman by the universe. So, this is something na, ano mo yun, hindi mo rin na dapat masyadong pag-isipan pa. Just try it out. Try your luck. If it goes well, if not, di ba, continue with your life moving forward. If not, I can see here na bibigyan mo nga naman ng chance tong tao na to. With the condition na first, nire-respeto niya yung boundaries mo, magiging honest na siya, magiging mature siya, at ipapakita niya that he or she has really changed for the better. Okay? Alright, so sana nag-resonate itong reading na to. And, yun, abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystic Moreno. At kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang readings. Ingat!